Are you an active investor in the stock market and dread making wrong decisions or suffering disappointment when you lose money when the market falls, as it will always do? Maybe you have a self-managed super fund or are retired and seek better returns, but you lack confidence and trust in yourself to make the right choices. You may know of other people who invest successfully in the market and produce better profits than managed funds, financial planners, brokers, and robo-advisors. But you shudder at the thought of the long and winding and time-consuming road to get to where only a few seem to arrive: being a consistently profitable and peaceful investor. If that sounds like you, then stick with me on this video and I'll reveal just 2 aspects about actively investing in the stock market that made mine and can make your trading journey consistently more profitable and a more peaceful experience, free from angst about losing money. Hi, I'm Gary Stone. For over 3 decades, I've traded stocks on the ASX and US markets. My investing journey began in 1990. The first 6 to 7 years were tough as I persevered through many hundreds of hours, trial and erroring, researching, and reading about so many different ways to trade profitably and keep the profits. But I was well in the red over this period. For 5 years I researched and traded fundamental and technical techniques, and in 1995 I honed in on researching mechanical trading systems using price action and technical analysis indicators. In 1997, as a columnist at the time, I was invited by Personal Investor magazine to participate in a publicly audited year-long trading contest. Under the pressure of the public eye, I took the plunge and used my nearly complete medium-term mechanical trend-following trading system. I won the contest. In 1998, the magazine held another year-long publicly audited contest, which I also won with my now completed system. The next contest was held in 2001, the year that 9/11 occurred and the New York Stock Exchange closed for 4 days after the Trade Center attack. I used the same mechanical system, achieving a 29% return compared to the All Ordinaries arising just 4.5% over the 12 months. The importance of this story is not that I won publicly audited trading contests, it's how I traded to win them. Outperforming over a period of high emotion, fear of war, confusion, and the extreme uncertainty surrounding 9/11. The mechanical system, which is an extremely important cog in the wheel, is not the main reason for my success over those 3 years of contest, especially in 2001, and also not for my ongoing profits and trading free of worry and angst since. There's no way that using personal discretion, being influenced by the news of the day and financial commentators, that I would have bought stocks soon after 9/11 when my mechanical system started signaling new entry alerts. You see, without me being aware, something else had been going on that I only became aware of a few years later in 2004 when I met the most influential person on my trading career, Mark Douglas, author of Trading in the Zone. With Mark's mentorship in his books, his Path to Consistency workshop, and many one-on-one discussions in Hamilton Island, Melbourne, Perth, Hawaii, Los Angeles, walks in the mountains around Phoenix, and long-distance chats over the phone, I came to realize that I'd stepped into a process of acquiring mindset skills when researching and trading a mechanical system, especially in the adverse conditions of the 9/11 World Trade Center terrorist attacks. Mark states in his book Trading in the Zone on page 173, quote unquote, "The mechanical stage of trading is specifically designed to build the kind of trading skills, trust, confidence, and thinking in probabilities that will virtually compel you to create consistent results." I was doing this without realizing it over the 7 years from 1995 through to 2002 when I first read Trading in the Zone. Through the research and live trading of my mechanical system, I was also slowly overcoming the fear of losing and the fear of my portfolio going into and remaining in drawdown. I was transforming the way that I thought when engaging the stock market. As Mark Douglas states in chapter 1 of Trading in the Zone, quote unquote, "The defining characteristic that separates the consistent winners from everyone else is this: the winners have attained a mindset, a unique set of attitudes that allows them to remain disciplined, focused, and above all, confident in spite of the adverse conditions. In adverse conditions, not raging bull markets when just about anybody can be confident. Mark goes on to state in chapter 1, quote, "I don't think I could put the difference between the consistent winners and everyone else more simply than this. The best traders aren't afraid," unquote. Aren't afraid of losing, nor of portfolio drawdown, or of missing out or getting out too early. Mark Douglas is clear that a mechanical process is a prerequisite to attain the necessary mindset skills to overcome fear, disappointment, and hesitation during adverse market conditions, and to stay the distance to be a consistent winner over the long term. If you'd like to go through the learning process that Mark Douglas advocates, I invite you to discover more about the 4-week Process Plus Mindset Training Intensive. It is an elapsed month of deeply intentional coverage of Mark Douglas's coaching material, complete with, firstly, a ready-made prerequisite mechanical process that has a demonstrated profitable edge in live trading since 2016 in the US and Australian stock markets. Secondly, explanations, exercises, and drills to help you transform your trading mindset to become a consistently successful and peaceful active investor. But it doesn't stop at the 4 weeks. My business, Sharewell Systems, helps you continue to cement and strengthen the knowledge and skills you acquire in the 4 weeks to nurture and grow them for years to come, like we have for those who have been clients for over 20 years and many more for over 10 years. If you want to step into this learning journey, then you are in the right place right now. Take that step onto a new and exciting path to trading consistently, profitably, and peacefully. Book a chat or a call to find out how you can start right away.